Welcome back to The Echo is Real. All right, I'm going to have to retake that. So, welcome back to sketching in Photoshop with that Joker guy. This is going to be kind of a mixture of a sketch and a painting I did. The first thing we're drawing here is a girl on Instagram. Seems to come up in the search an awful lot. Millions of followers, I do believe. Her name is Lea, I think. Anyway, here's the sketch. I'm going to start with drawing the face, and then we'll move on to something else. So that is around where I would leave the face sketch, just to get enough of a likeness to move forward. And then I'll reduce that and add in the figure and the body later. But first, I'm going to switch it up a bit and switch gears and show you a painting I did of Bernie Sanders. And for those of you who might have noticed as well, I'm using YouTube's music and just letting that play through. I will go back to using some of my music in the future. Watch the disgusting sketch of this become a final piece. And leave a comment. song, ironically, is called Blue Whale. Anyway, this is around the point in the sketch when I decided not to go in the caricature route and took it more towards portrait and started filling in a background. And I did a few different things that I don't usually do, like adding in layers. You'll see. Just watch. Here's some more music. And that's that. Yeah, usually I like to stay on portrait painting. I like to stay on a surface, just painted layer. And I don't go into my saturation and brightness and all those color layers and stuff. But this time around, I just decided to, because this had already turned into not being a caricature as I had started. So why not just test things out? It's always fun to try new things in Photoshop. Yeah, right here. This is something I would do with a character painted piece, but not a portrait so much. But who knows? Moving forward, I like how this came out, so maybe there'll be more. Alright, continue watching me finish up Bernie Sanders here, and then we'll get back to Lea. And that's it for the Bernie sketch there. I had few little tweaks here and there, but that's pretty much the end of it. I may go back and finish it as a painting later, and I'm certainly going to do a caricature of him. But now we're back to Lea. I looked her up here. It's Lea Elui, Eluig, and she has 8.9 million followers on Instagram. How many does Bernie have? Let's see, about 3 million. So maybe she should be president. And that is about where I would leave that sketch. I would then go in and either paint over the top or turn it really cartoony and color it. Maybe do some cell shading. I might do that in a future video. Check back. Should I? Leave a comment below, right there. Alright, thank you again for tuning in to Sketching in Photoshop with that Joker guy. Please like, subscribe, share. You can buy some of my artwork on my Etsy or become a patron on my Patreon. That would really help out. Thank you very much, and have a great day.
Everything